Today I'm going to show you how I plant my garlic in the fall. So why should I even grow garlic, and what are some of the nutritional benefits? Of course, one of the most obvious benefits of garlic is its ability to keep vampires away. In fact, I haven't seen a single vampire on our property since I've started to grow garlic. If you have a lot of problems with vampires though, I did a video on elderberries and how they can keep vampires away as well. I'll put a card up here for you. Garlic is one of the easiest and most maintenance-free crops to grow, so it is a lot of fun actually. Garlic has vitamin C, vitamin B6, and is also a great source of dietary fiber. It is also a good source of manganese and selenium. Garlic is rich in allicin, a compound with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It can help lower cholesterol levels, promote a healthy heart, and reduce blood pressure. Additionally, garlic has antibacterial and antiviral properties, so it's believed to boost the immune system. Some studies have also shown that it has anti-cancer effects. Overall, I really do think that it can boost your immune system. So let's get down to the garden and get planting. So the clip that you've been watching is not how I plant garlic. That was just for your entertainment. So let's get rid of that clip and we'll start planting garlic for real. So here's some garlic. Got some soil. I'm gonna clear a spot and get planting. I have some Happy Frog potting soil, which is really one of my favorites. I'm gonna mix this with some vermicompost, and it should give these garlic a great start. So here's my vermicomposting pit. Got some of the fresh stuff off the top. I'll go down beneath to get some more that's ready to harvest. Look at all these worms. Love it. Put them in here. And I have a little bit of that potting soil left over that I mixed up earlier. Put it in here so I can mix it up better. That looks great. Then scoop it back up to this bucket so I can carry it down to the garden. There we go. Doesn't that look wonderful? There are two types of garlic. There's a hard neck. You can see the hard stem on it, which comes down to the pretty evenly spaced cloves around the center of the hard neck. And then there's soft neck, which has a soft neck, which already came off of these, but they produce cloves that are sort of just scattered around every which way. Generally, the soft neck is for warmer climates and the hard neck is for colder climates. I'm in zone 7B, so I can grow either of them, but my hard necks have not been growing very big, so I'm thinking maybe it would be better for me to have the soft neck. One nice thing about the hard necks is that they produce scapes, which is, I'll put a picture up here of a scape, but they make a really great pesto if you pick them early enough, mix them up in your food processor, and it's delicious. So that's one reason that I really do like the hard necks and why I will continue to plant them even if they don't get as big as the soft neck. You can see this is where the roots were on this garlic. So that's where you need to plant the cloves, that side down, and the other side is a little pointed if you have them loose. I'm gonna make a little bit of a hole here so I can put my potting soil in there. I'm not putting a whole lot in there, probably just like one scoop like that. Then I'm gonna plant the clove in and cover it with an inch or two of soil. And I'm gonna plant these about 3 inches apart. In my climate, these will grow through the whole winter. They won't die back or anything. And then they'll be ready to harvest in June or July. If you like this video, I know you're gonna love the video that I did on how to repurpose and recharge potting soil. So I'll put a end screen to that up here. So click on that and I'll see you there.